What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm putting the side skirts on the S350. It's pretty easy to do. Anybody could do it. I mean, pretty much anybody, a child can do this. All it takes is a T25 Torx bit and an 8mm socket. That's the only tools you need to do it. It's pretty simple. The 8mm screws are these right here that go here. There's some little clips underneath here where you push it in first. It's like I think it's like 5. Oh, let me look at the other side. Okay. If you see those little blue holes, these white clips, where did it go? Right there. Those white clips line up with those blue holes. You take the skirt, you open both doors. You just slide the skirt on it, put it on, and push those little clips in, the blue holes. Then the side skirt will sit up like that. You just mark it up that way. These are what goes underneath the bottoms. These are the T25 Torx screws. They're like little plastic, little clip screw things. So you have to take this screw out of here. Then you push this clip in first, then put the screw in. I can't remember how many of them. There's a few of them, not a whole lot. Let me go into the bottom and show you. I don't know how well y'all can see this. All right, I put one in back there. My jack is in the way, but there's one right there. I just sat down, put that one in so I could put it on the jack, because remember my valve block is acting weird. So I didn't want the car to go, so I just put a jack there for safety so the car won't go on me. And I believe there's 6 on each side. I might be wrong, but I believe it's about 6 of them. This takes about 15 minutes to do. It's pretty simple. Like I said, a child could put this thing on. Stay tuned. Okay, the next step is putting these door sills in. These are like simple, it's easy. It's just a bunch of clips. You just line these white clips up with the holes. See, there's another set of holes right there, the little black holes. Line them up with those, and in the top you just bang down on it, lightly tap down on it, then they go right into place. Simple. Okay, I got both side skirts on. And one thing I forgot to add, at each end of the side skirt, there's a 10mm screw. You see there's one right there, well, 10mm bolt goes right there at each end of it. In the back, I got a plastic weld because the little clip is broken on that, on the back one here, on the back end. And on this side, the little slide is supposed to go into, I got to get it, this little metal thing that slides on, that it screws into. I got to get that on this side on both ends. But that's it. The side skirts is done. It's an easy job. It takes about 15-20 minutes. A kid could put it on.